Good morning, everyone. Once again, welcome on my YouTube channel Rubicon Classes. Today, we will start a new chapter, that is the Vedic period. A time period is from 1500 BC to 500 BC. In this chapter, today we will cover only two topics: Vedic civilization and sources for the study of the Vedic period. So, let's start with the chapter. So, before knowing what is the Vedic period, we have to know what is Vedic civilization meant here. Vedic civilization is the civilization of the period during which the Vedas were composed. वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन कौन सा सिविलाइजेशन था? ऐसे टाइम जिस टाइम पर वेद लिखे गए थे. The Vedas were composed by the Aryans. वेदा किसने लिखा? वेदास लिखा गया है आर्यन के द्वारा. The Aryans were people who spoke an old form of Sanskrit and migrated from Central Asia about 1500 BC. आर्यंस अपने लैंग्वेज में संस्कृत का यूज़ करते थे और ये कहाँ से माइग्रेट होकर के आए थे? सेंट्रल एशिया से माइग्रेट होकर के आए थे इन 1500 BC में. The Aryans occupied the Sapt-Sindhu region and named it Brahmavart, the then Gangetic region, and called it Aryavrat. In the map you can see the highlighted words in bold letter. These were the occupied region of the Aryans, like Panchala, Koshala, Videha, Trigarta, Uttara, Kuru. All these places were occupied by the Aryans. Now heading towards what were the sources for the study of the Vedic period. We will divide it into two parts, literary and archaeological. In literary, we will learn about the Vedas and the epics, and in archaeological sources, we will learn about iron and pottery. Vedas. How many types of Vedas were written during the Vedic civilization? 4. They were 4 in number. First one was Rig Veda. Rig Veda was the oldest of the Vedic literature. It has nearly 1028 hymns and mantras, including the Gayatri Mantra. How many hymns were included in the Rig Veda? 1028 hymns and mantras, and Gayatri Mantra is also been taken from the which Veda? Rig Veda. Yajur Veda. It is grouped into parts, the black Krishna and the white Shukla. The latter has hymns concerning sacrifices and the former contains commentaries. Samveda. It has hymns meant for the priests only who sang them at the time of the performance of yajnas. यजनास में क्या होता था? इट हैज़ हाइम्स मेंट फॉर द प्रिंस. इसमें जो मंत्र होते थे वो प्रीस्ट के लिए होते थे, एंड वो जब यज्ञ करते थे तब वो गाने के रूप में उसको बोलते थे. अथर्व वेदा. It contains mantras on 3 topics: charms, spell and mysticism. अथर्ववेदा में किसी को वशीकरण करने का स्पेल, चार्म, ये सब उसमें होता था. Now we will talk about what were the parts of our 4 Vedas. It can be divided into 3 parts. First one is Samhitas. What were Samhitas? These are in the verse form and constitute the hymn part of the Vedas. What were these? These are in the verse form में है and constitute the high parts of the Vedas. Second one is Brahmanas. These are commentaries on the Vedic mantras. They are written in prose and deal mainly with rituals connected with sacrifices. Third one is Aranyakas. These are the concluding parts of the Brahmanas. ये क्या है? ब्रह्मनास का लास्ट पार्ट है, कंक्लूडिंग पार्ट है. दे ले मोर स्ट्रेस ऑन नॉलेज ऑफ गॉड, सोल, वर्ल्ड एंड मैन. आर्यनकाज में सबसे ज़्यादा किस चीज़ पर जोर दिया गया है? भगवान पर, आत्मा पर, विश्व पर और इंसान पर. Now, the Vedic literature also has the following parts like the Upanishads. What is Upanishads over here? They contain Indian philosophy and give us information on matter. प्रकृति के बारे में नॉलेज देते हैं. सोल, आत्मा के बारे में नॉलेज देते हैं. एंड गॉड, ब्रह्मा के बारे में उपनिषद हमें नॉलेज देते हैं. सेकंड वन इज पुराना. द ओल्ड हिस्टोरिकल बुक्स ऑफ द आर्यंस आर द पुरानास. जो आर्यंस के बहुत पुराने हिस्टोरिकल बुक्स हैं उनको पुराण्स कहा जाता है. दे डिस्क्राइब द ओरिजिन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बर्थ और ओरिजिन ऑफ गॉड्स एंड हिस्टोरिकल एंड माइथोलॉजिकल इवेंट्स ऑफ द एंशिएंट टाइम. वो किस चीज़ के बारे में बताते हैं? पुराण्स क्या चीज़ का डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? द ओरिजिन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, विश्व का किस तरीके से उद्भव हुआ था. बर्थ और ओरिजिन ऑफ गॉड्स, गॉड्स इस पृथ्वी पर कैसे आए थे. एंड द हिस्टोरिकल एंड माइथोलॉजिकल इवेंट्स ऑफ द एंशिएंट टाइम्स. एंशिएंट टाइम के बारे में माइथोलॉजिकल इवेंट्स क्या थे उसके बारे में हमें किस में पता चलता है? पुराण्स में. द वेदांग्स. They interpret the Vedas in simple language and deal with the pronunciation of words, grammar, astronomy and rituals. वेदांग्स किस बारे में बताते हैं? वो इंटरप्रेट करते हैं वेदास को सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, बिकॉज वेदास वर रिटन इन संस्कृत लैंग्वेज एंड इट इज़ नॉट efficient for everyone to learn that language. So Vedangs were simply the interpret books of Vedas. Upvedas. They deal with secular subjects like Ayurveda deals with medicine. The Dhanur Veda deals with art of warfare. The Gandharva Veda with music and Shilpa Veda with architecture. Sutras. Sutras explain the customs and rituals of the later Vedic period, especially the rituals relating to yajna, sacrifices. Manusmriti. Manusmriti was written by Manu. It tells us about the code of law, judicial procedure, and rights and duties of the four castes. Here it is described four castes. Four castes we will learn it about in our next video. Now heading towards what were the archaeological sources of the Vedic civilization. Like first topic is iron artifacts or the implements and tools. With the discovery of iron in some areas, the use of iron began in 1000 BC. When it was discovered? It was discovered in 1000 BC. It means they were knowing about the iron. They were knowing about how to make utensils, axes, or any plowing or sickle, a hose, accelerated agricultural work. They were knowing about it, how to make the tools from the iron. The use of iron axes and plows became widespread, and western Gangetic Plains it is known as the Iron Age. Iron became a harder metal than copper and bronze and easily available to mark an important stage in the progress of civilization. As the iron was discovered in 1000 BC, it was very easy for them to work in all the forms. New implements like axes, iron plows, sickles, and hoes accelerated agriculture works. They invented axes, iron plows, sickles, and hoes, which was very useful in the agricultural activity. Implements like saws, chisels, hammers, nails, and tongs gave rise to new occupations like weaving, spinning, carpentry, tanning, and tool making. Weapons like swords, armor, shields, and slings were used in defense. Now heading towards how they were knowing about to make the pottery. Remains of different kinds of pottery found at different sites throw right on the style of the lives of Vedic period. See, as you see in the picture, they were knowing how to make the pottery with the help of red clay. Okay, so if you like the video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.